This is our farm. We're gonna work, get all those branches of trees, put it out. Just keep going. I'm just gonna go over there. Look like someone is ready to plant some corn in here. Look at that. Someone had daru in here. Farm, guys. So this is it. We're gonna show you. That's where our chickens and turkeys and goats. Of course, we have to stop by and visit them. See, we have to say hi to Kuya. Hey, Stanley! I smoke! Gotta smoke! You wanna go outside smoke? Go. Wanna go outside? Okay. Oh, fit. Sorry, Stanley. Sunny, come on. No, you're not going. Sally, you can get out. There you go. Sunny, let's go. Okay. They're all out now. You wanna go over there and ride in the trailer? Let's go to the trailer and ride in the trailer to Kuya. Let's go, right over there. Go right in the trailer. Yeah. Go to Kuya, right in the trailer. Let them ride, Kuya. There you go, Smoke. Oh, go in the other side. Show them the other side, Kuya. Yeah. Go to the other side, Smoke. You're not gonna fit in there. There you go, Smoke. Smoke, where you going, Smoke? There you go. Climb now, Sunny. Smoke, don't go to the tractor. There you go. Sally, you don't want to go for a ride, Sally? Go up, Smoke. There you go. Get ready na, Kuya. There you go. Sige na, Kuya. There you go. There's your passenger now. Drive slow, ha? There you go. Just slow, Kuya. Kabay mo ang back. What happened? What happened? I thought you're going for a ride. Yeah.
You don't want to ride?
Yeah, you don't want to go for a ride?
You think we're going to steal them?
There's Jim. Hi, Jim. Say hi to the camera, Jim. The turkey, his name is Jim. Jim, hi to the camera. Let's go. Sige na, Kuya, drive over there. They're just gonna follow us anyway. Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna pick up all those bushes right over there. Yeah, see that? Kuya was like, dang, that's a lot. Yep. All these bushes right here, we're gonna pick it up And see our assistant right there. Kuya would be in the move. And I just have to set the camera somewhere else. And we can go ahead and do our work. Okay. Set up the camera here, guys. So I'm going to help Kuya. Hi! It's me now. my goats, they're eating. It's Kuya right there. So we're gonna go over there now to the burn hole. Then we have to drop it in the burn hole. And that's it. Yeah, Lindsay is not right there because she have a lot of homework. So she told me she can't come. So I was like, I'm a little bit disappointed, but hey, her school come first before anything else. So that's fine. You know, Kuya and I can take care of this. Back a little bit. There's our borehole right there. See? Just turn around, Kuya. Borehole right there. Kuya, you can just go turn around. Let's go right over there, then just go. Can you back? I have a problem backing that thing. It's not as easy as you thought, you know? But if you can. There you go. Well, you did it. I don't like backing that one, the four-wheeler. It's very hard, guys. There you go. Good job, Kuya. You did a good job. Yep. Yep, this is our life here in America, guys. You have to go work and keep moving. There you go, just go straight. There you go, just keep moving. You're good. There you go. That's enough. You don't want to be in the burn hole. That's okay, Kuya. Okay, guys. Now we have to unload all this stuff. You hold this. Let me do the unloading first. Then you take a video. Okay, guys. I have to unload it first. I'm just gonna go show you first. Kuya is gonna help me later, but if I don't hit myself. Hurt myself with this. Guys, just, I wish I had a cloud. Okay. It's not as easy as you thought. Plus, I don't have much of my strength because I just had a surgery. You know, I've been very, very careful. I worry maybe my mouth or I get to overcut. I don't know what to overcut.
Adenera ma.
Huh?
Adenera. Saka kusog na dalaga.
Look at the groups. The groups are coming, guys. Those are my babies right there. They're coming. They want to help. No. Smoke. Go back over there. Good. You don't have any business in here. Okay, go on, Kuya. I just have to sit up our. Smoke, you wanna go for a ride for Kuya? Go up to Kuya. You wanna go for a ride? He's looking where he can ride. Smoke, you wanna go for a ride? Dere siguro Kuya. Get out there, Sally. Dili ka pwede malakat Kuya, kadura ilarom. Ayan ay kadalila. Sally, get out there. Okay, you can leave now. Ayan ay. No. Oh, he wants to go up. Say, this is my babies. Okay na. Wanna go to Kuya? Wanna go for a ride? You wanna go for a ride? Oh, sige na Kuya. Oh, ito na. Let's drive slow. Stanley. Ato ilarom hikuan. Smoky. See? That's why our work is longer than it should be. Because look at this board rotten. Oh, sige na Kuya. Kabaran na. Let's go this side here, Kuya. Okay. What's up with the running? You wanna go over there and eat? Huh? Damo? Oh yeah, well just go ahead and get it. I don't realize there are some there too, so just go ahead. Big muscle Kuya, big muscle. Yeah, put that there too. Pick that up too. Put that right there. Okay, one down. Get one more. Right here. Yeah, get that one too. Ato, Sally. Sunny. Sunny! Where are you going? You like to eat this kind of leaves. Oh, get that one, Kuya. Just that muscle. There's my muscle man right there.